I'm going to harvest the rest of my garlic today. Right here is the soft neck. We harvested about 3-4 weeks ago. It's finished drying and I just cut the greens, now browns, and the roots off of those. On this side over here, those two in the back, I dug out of the aisle because the chipmunks replanted them for me. And these few right here came out of my front garden. Some of these are going to be big and some of these are going to be little. Some of them were planted from garlic cloves and some were planted from bulbils, which are what forms on a hardneck garlic if you don't pick the garlic scape. We picked the scapes off of these about 4 weeks ago, I'm gonna say. And so these are past ready to come up. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these with my hands because the soil is pretty loose, but I have a shovel with me if we end up needing it. All right. Like I said, some of them are gonna be little and some will be big, because some will be from clove. See, like these little ones here were probably planted from the bulbils. When those get replanted in another year, they will be bigger. But lots of times the first year they're just kind of one small single clove bulb. Little ones. Here you can see this one, how it's just a single clove. Trying to be careful because I do have a few onions in here still that were walla wallas from a few seeds we had come up, and they're still growing, so I'm trying to leave those alone. Oops, yep, and I just pulled one out. I'll have to replant him and see if he'll come up. Yep, there's a whole clump of little onions I just pulled out. Because I'm not being careful enough. The soft necks usually get bigger for me than the hard necks in the first place, but like I said, a lot of, oh, here we got a weed. A lot of these were planted from the bulbils instead of cloves. Little ones. That one there too looks like a single big clove. Probably from a bulbul. Okay, so there's what we got on the hard necks. Some big, some small. And the soft necks we just trimmed. And then I have a few little onions to replant. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.